Girls, today we're going to take our chapter 11 test on Think Central, okay? Vamos a tomar el examen hoy de capítulo 11 en el sitio de Think Central. So when you get to Think Central, go to Things to Do and you should see it there, Math Chapter 11 Test. Cuando llegues a Think Central, vas a Cosas que hacer, Things to Do, y encuentra a donde dice Math 11 test. Es capítulo 11 examen. All right, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to move it over here. Okay, and then hit start. Okay, and here we go. So these questions, a lot of them will look like the questions that on the review test. But they're a little different. So, estas preguntas se parecen un poco a las que hicieron en el examen de las 4 páginas, pero son un poquito diferentes. So, let's get started with number 1. It says,
click in the box that matches each shape with its description. Each shape may be matched to more than one description.
Okay, dice, hazle clic a la cajita que empata con cada forma y su descripción. Cada forma se puede empatar con más de una descripción. So I'll do the first one with you. Voy a hacer el primero con ustedes so that you understand. All right, so on the left, we have the shapes. And I'm going to click on them so we see the names.
Shape.
Oh, it just says shape. All right. So, la forma. So, esta es la forma. And then here it says
flat surfaces.
Superficies planas. And on this one it says
curved surface.
Superficies curvadas. So, if I have a cone, does it have a flat surface? ¿Tiene una superficie plana? Yes, it has one on the bottom, right? So, I'm going to go ahead and click check for that one. And now, does it have a curved surface? ¿Tiene una superficie curva? Yes, a cone has both. So I'm going to click check for that one. So da la casualidad que un cono tiene los dos, pero no todos tienen los dos. The cone happens to have both flat and curved, but not every shape has both. So you're only going to click on if it has a flat, you click check there, or if it has curved, you click check there. Okay, so nada más que vas a hacer clic si tiene plana o curvada dependiendo en la forma. All right, and then you're going to do that for the rest of them. Vas a hacer eso para el resto. When you're done, hit next. Okay, now remember, I'm using one of our students' tests as an example. Your test when you go on Think Central might look a little different. Okay, yo estoy usando el examen de un estudiante como ejemplo, pero cuando ustedes entren, quizás las preguntas son un poquito diferentes. All right, so here's number 2.
Combine the cylinder and the cube.
Combina el cilindro y el cubo.
Select the new shapes you can make.
Y selecciona las formas nuevas que puedes hacer con esas dos. And there was one like this on the test, and I'm going to tell you that there are 2 correct answers. Hay 2 respuestas correctas para esta. All right, so click on your answers and then hit next. And here we go with number 3. Come on.
Build and repeat. Select yes or no.
Okay, construye y repite. Selecciona sí o no. There was one like this on the review test too.
Can 2 of this shape make this shape?
Okay, so 2 de estas pueden hacer esta, sí o no. So vas a hacerle clic a la A o la B. And
can 2 of this shape make this shape?
okay, y 2 de esta pueden hacer esta forma, sí o no. These are pretty easy, right? I think so.
Can 2 of this shape make this shape?
2 de esta pueden hacer esta, sí o no. All right, so you're going to have to answer 3 questions on this page. Aquí son 3 preguntas. Te seguro que hagan las 3. All right, let's continue with number 4.
Damon used blocks to build this shape.
So Damon usó estos bloques para hacer esta forma.
Select all the shapes Damon used.
Selecciona todas las formas que usó el niño. And there's 2 answers for this one too. I'm giving you a hint. Hay 2 respuestas para esta, para que sepan. All right, number 5.
How many circles are on a cylinder?
¿Cuántos círculos hay en un cilindro? So A says
2.
2. B says
1.
1. So slow. And C says
0.
0. Okay, so escoge la que tiene la respuesta bien de 2 círculos. You didn't hear that. Never mind. Next. All right. Number 6.
Sarah wants to draw a circle. She finds these objects.
Okay, Sarah quiere dibujar un círculo y encuentra estos objetos. All right.
Which object could she trace to draw the shape?
¿Cuál de los objetos puede dibujar para hacer esa forma? This shape here, the circle. And I'll play these for you.
She should use the funnel.
Debe usar el funnel, que es este, no sé cómo se dice en español.
She should use the wooden block.
El bloque de madera, debe usar este.
She should use the yellow cube.
O el cubo amarillo. So which one of these? Escoge una respuesta. Pick one. Number 7.
Select the shape with exactly 2 flat surfaces.
Selecciona la forma que tiene exactamente 2 superficies planas. Nada más. Only 2. Which of these has only 2 flat surfaces? Number 8.
Look at the shape.
Mira esta forma bien.
How many figures are used to make the shape?
¿Cuántos de estas figuras se usan para hacer esta forma? Okay, and remember I see 2 shapes here that are stuck together. So if they're stuck, how many of those stucked ones can I use to make this? Si están juntos, ¿cuántos juntos dobles puedo usar para hacer esta forma? Pick an answer. Escoge una de las respuestas. Number 9.
Ellen built this shape.
Ellen hizo esta forma.
Select the objects Ellen used.
Selecciona los objetos que usó Ellen. I see objects with an S. That means there's more than one answer. Hay más de una respuesta. So pick the correct answers. And last question, la última pregunta.
Hector built this castle.
Héctor hizo este castillo. Muy lindo. Very nice.
Select all the shapes Hector used.
Selecciona todas las formas que usó Hector. So look carefully and pick the ones that you see that he used. All right, and there's definitely more than one answer. I think you can figure this one out. Hay más de una respuesta. All right, so when you're all done, make sure you click on Turn In, and then you'll be able to see how you did, and so will your teacher. Good luck. Buena suerte. Bye.